Every day can start with a simple, vibrant routine that sets the tone for positivity. Let's dive into how embracing simplicity transforms our lives. After a refreshing morning, taking a jog in nature boosts your mood. Finding time to relax with a good book adds to that blissful vibe. Cooking can be a joyful experience, especially when using fresh, vibrant ingredients. Sharing a meal with friends amplifies the happiness of simple living. As the day winds down, moments of meditation by the water help to center the mind. Evenings filled with laughter and connection create lasting memories. Reflecting on your day while journaling deepens your appreciation for life's moments. And nothing beats stargazing, where the universe feels close enough to touch. Exploring a local farmer's market is a feast for the senses, filled with fresh, vibrant produce. Engaging in creative hobbies like pottery adds richness and joy to your routine.